So installing these, so you put one up, you put it up in there, right? Make a little tab lined up. Okay. Now, so you line it up. So what I found doing this is you do the first one, you kind of hold it there loosely, the thing, and just kind of work. And if it's going in with any kind of resistance, stop and back it out. Okay, because you're putting it in at an angle. And I noticed that this is letting me do that. It's gonna let me put it in at an angle, and it's gonna really mess it up. So then, once you get the first one loosely in there, but you feel it's going in easily and not like sideways, the second one, I notice is really trying to go in sideways. So what I've been doing is kind of looking from the side and kind of holding it and jiggling it and making sure that second one is going in, not at an angle. Because I noticed on the other ones it was really doing that. It was really trying to go in, and it was letting me like go in sideways on that second screw. So I had to hold the blade at like an angle and gently hold it up, and you could see if you were looking up from the side that it's aligning the screw to make it straight up and down instead of at a slight angle. Because these screws, it's allowing you to go in at a slight angle, and it really would booger up your screws. And it probably, I mean, it might work, but it's not going to be super great. So I noticed that while doing those. So I'm going to just tighten the rest of these. Just a tip on those, I noticed when I was doing it. Okay, we'll be back.